Welcome to another episode of 3-minute videos with the Daniel. Today we now work out the value of an integral. Now we are going to introduce you algebraic identity. That's quite cute, isn't it? Now we can do it this way. So what is ex squared? It is not equal to ex squared, but ex squared equals to e to the power of 2x. So now we can simplify the integral to 1, 0. To integrate a polynomial, raise this up by 3 and divide the constant term. Raise this up by 1 and divide the constant term by that degree. To integrate exponentials, divide by the constant term here. So doing this makes you go half e2x minus 1/3 x cubed. So to do this, you can substitute 1 first, then subtract the substitutions from 0. Half e squared minus 5/6 equals to 3e squared minus 5 all over 6, which is option D. There you have it, an integral with polynomials and exponentials and a little algebraic identity. This is question 1B of MAT Oxford 2021, I repeat. And thanks for your attention. Bye!